Mountains are the planet's slow-motion heartbeats, thrusting upward over millions of years, indifferent to the brief, busy lives unfolding in their shadows. We see permanence in stone, yet even the granite erodes into sand, proving all stability is temporary. Our obsession with creating enduring structures is a fight against this slow, patient erosion. The mountain's silent message is one of scale. Your life is a flicker, so spend it observing the grandeur, not obsessing over the small drama of your day. The cosmic perspective collapses all triviality